TMO argument to them. Maybe you are minimum because problems are a war Ghana. If we continue to politicize this now, there will be no solution to it. It am better to contribute extra margin. Let me give you examples in the world what is going on. Okay.
Mama yentio ehi na oni enya adwene na nia opese uma yetie no.
When the president said the problem enye engineering no, you have to understand say I have always been talking about PhD, patriotism, honesty, and discipline. Discipline is a major problem in this country. One, Obi Akoto sachet water or no not the atufu or titrotro. One day, that is a military hospital. Run about and traffic ya stop. Now Obi tea trotrum wagin seal free girl or no or the atufu. I'm catching a girl no or no tone you say on fat at the end in free football. Young girl or did it matter? Or no all tall session. That means you Lincoln town car. A Lincoln navigator. Share car a cram that time. Girl no arm for the crew did it matter. Because let me say at the end of the Ato for on the Toma to on fat at the end in free. Two, any pana or so a nom at the end. Ensuno, Adentina went in young fat, sachet empty no, and kura. Now we'll do baby a dozen what to up. You see, we have to speak the truth. And I am no say. They call campaign office, my campaign office. I said, all along, I felt a gata. Not knowing, and then I'm quite have you any clean? Actually, and also a sumo, but a fear. A free, a slow ebano, all along, I felt a gata. Until that, a siono tall gidigia, and clean you, and I would say, clean water, a free man from a briho, a slow, and ever, a nemoir, ever from a hokofa, a villaggio, a cheat, echo, baby, a cobo, I don't know. And indisciplined here. President in the car, I was saying, if we can correct it, then you know, see a gentleman. I also agree that President should be bold and don't politicize the say, Yachi, Minipa, or NDC, Yankoino, or MPP, Yankoino. What did I can't indiscipline to radio so one more day. So, we near MPP in a coyer, but Yachina demonstration. Say Yachi MPP, antagonizing MPP4. Say NDC ni and MPP4 so Yachi one. NDC4 the demonstration. Say antagonizing NDC4. This is the problem we have in this country. We are using politics to destroy the country. Because more argument if the president says one of the reasons in discipline we have to admit because Odo River or the River Lagoon, Makamwa Ukwa, a simple, a good insurance, Ukwa Dubai, the same size of waterway, both so. I keep saying this. And are you expecting the president to go around all the time to inspect a form a cleaner? Now look at BB said, ensure regional minister Antoine. It's his duty. It's his duty. Abayino, dear was to be accounting. Assembly SSC. And otchere. May one factories bear for a bubble, and I'm near him for no. My we call you arrangements in the noir. You have a car assassin once. My friend, Zambian company beyond by generating electricity. A medium representative no bar him. I know okay said, oh, I got ensure what was H and you're good for us. I'm going to we can expand it. What you are in for some kind? and Kababwa ye pa if he said, and call for basis ya dying up block waterway no sabe and Penfono buy the degree, woman in dear and quite cheap, but they were able to convince me, said, Otrako Damano every because real estate follow SEC are dying up block waterways. It boils down to the indiscipline again. Abaybiaba na otchere wo clean na politicians be akoshan konfochi eye propaganda against the government. Yeah, and he says the president Tragasa identify said indiscipline. We want to ask him a big question. What is he doing about it? Two, what about Ghanaians doing about it? Third, for the past 2 months, I've been going to India and China. Now, in discipline, go to China and see cleanliness. Monfra Kenneth, Namumisano, he has been indoctrinated because we're American against China. Okoye for the fact, what if this are 10 years, 9 years in Onkoi? This time I'm in a Koye. The boy in a meeting told the Chinese brother, "Omunye American passport, no more money Chinese passport." Madam, the camera, and what did the window flowers? I yet dear, the lanes outside and inner ayina neat, meaning Konekudu India filled. You have no idea. India they do a Ghana approach. Why? Because they don't obey traffic lights. They don't obey anything. I have a meeting with Chinese group 5 p.m. When we were there, what's here? Many tekekurano become red lighter. You have to pay the ticket. So the guy is so disciplined because the systems work. They will punish you, and yes, will be a difficult na party be a press conference. Yes, will be a difficult. Really, we're difficult. And you got the courage to go and demonstrate. A country, no, this one, and your MPP, and the NDC MPP. What more power? Obia Bonina Ukokape. Now, we are here politics. What you here? How would you change this country? One country now to Dubai, any Arab countries, now share discipline. We have a monarchy and a dictatorship, and yet democracy. You'll be tempted to make that statement. Because one person can make a decision, say, this is how Dubai should look like in the next 5-10 years. And everybody will be. When the president says, this is the way we are going, opposition for whether it's good or not, because of selfish interest, will say, we are going to kick against it because of that power. It's dialogue first. The country first. And the more argument if the president comes out to say, indiscipline, let's charge him, indiscipline, so do it for us. Change the system. But don't just condemn and say, what kind of discipline?
So, Honorable, on that note, no, Sammy Awoken said, places like China, said they are said, compare the streets of China to that of the street of Ghana, Accra specifically. Now, that's been crown over travel so many you wouldn't see one in Accra. Sanity China. Now, quite many bet me fast. Yes, so no, you bet me adapt it, whatever they are doing over there.
The answer is simple. People should be punished for the wrongdoing.
Yes, that's it.
I don't care how you feel.
Yes.
So, obey to me, Kotokume. Every what we have said, let the tongue and young figure, no one jerk who don't know in the way. Why is the assembly? TMA, one Tinyanya Pia, anybody who is in charge should be fired. Should be fired. Around to make sure that Nipa didn't Kubeku because so you make sure that Omas is at the NFL. And my answer, any solution to it, people should be punished for wrongdoings, and politicians should stop politicizing it and make sure that we have reward and punishment introduced in this country. Reward and punishment. Only Padiadia, Yamon Abaso, only Padiadia, Yam punishment. Anyata, Ghana, forget it. Because maybe a better government will feel Dubai. That will come to see energy. Now, share a sure double. Need the way if he is expensive for a comfort. Not me back or dog. Now, they don't even believe you. Tourism, why never give me about say otchere and pronounce say beach ho now where is the bar sure a simple how a simple how do you promote tourism in discipline? So in discipline, the government, the citizens, we should all begin to discuss it. We should all begin to discuss it. In the rule assembly or carry out, because they should not make you reference. Every assured what way to my block is still in discipline. Real estate for now, assembly for HMG Musica. They know, so I don't know you know about Jiska. Land that for HMG a crown way, a tiny a year to all, and so no more town. It is in discipline. So let's talk about this. I have told you patriotism, honesty, and discipline. And then, on our president, now it should be a discussion. Let's discuss this thoroughly and see all media houses, all Ghanaians, stakeholders, and what Ghana. We should begin to talk about discipline. Now, you say you are politicized because Kennedy Agyapong and car MPP, you know, NDP for against it. Mahama NDP, you know, MPP against it. We are not being patriotic. We should love our country. And everywhere there's indiscipline, trust me, the country is so filthy. I will be going there again. I don't want to talk about comparing the two countries. I will be our China and India near here. I will tell you what is going on. And the message my argument, you know, and yet nationalistic. And yet only politically cause it came from the president who is an NDC. I don't care whoever makes that statement, but Yansha about a woman, na yeni Ghana for, and begin to discuss how we can be disciplined and develop this country. Because a chromo is far. Tourists, you know, they will recommend their people. That is how we can also make money. I've been listening to me, but the net of these are one side.
Yes, so that's it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.